So today we're looking at basically one area of potential for severe weather. We do see that slight threat form up there in parts of the Dakotas. We do see that there is that tropical influence in the North Carolina area that could develop some thunderstorms, but our big focus is what's going on near the Canadian border up there in North Dakota and in that corner of Montana. Most development will occur most likely though up in the parts of Canada. Temperature-wise, however, we are seeing a very nice day across most of the nation. Some cooler areas are going to be brought to you by some rain. So the northwest, if you are seeing colder temperatures, that is due to the rain that is going to be falling. Then you could see that pocket of cooler air that is going to be brought about by that tropical kind of moisture, allowing for some more rain to form. It is not a tropical storm. It is just having tropical influence because of all of the moisture from the south. We are seeing that Gulf moisture be kind of pushed into the system, and since it is a low, it is just kind of spiraling in one spot. So we are seeing some of these more heavy rain showers at times. So looking at your morning hours, we are seeing that tropical kind of influence, allowing some of these storms to actually form out over the ocean first and then start to whip their way back onto the coast. So that's what we're expecting in the morning hours over parts of the Carolinas. We do look back up to parts of the northwest, and we do see that rain in those pockets up there, and that's going to allow for some of these to have some heavier rainfall, but not expecting anything huge. The afternoon is looking pretty similar. We're not seeing too many big differences. We see some individual cells that might be a little bit more severe working their way onto the coast of North Carolina. We do see some linear fashion to those storms working their way through Wyoming and Montana, and then some more pop-ups across parts of the northwest. And then finally, looking at your nighttime hours, we do see that these storms are developing still along that eastern coast, and those are just going to be a little bit more powerful just after dinner time. We will see some individual pockets of cells develop across Montana and work their way into North Dakota, where we could see that potential for severe threats. This model, the NAM for the 3-kilometer CONUS, does not favor big-time storm development in North Dakota and further into Canada, but other models are predicting some bigger supercells to form. Some are just showing some more linear fashions in these systems, so that's why it is a slight threat, is because there's not one key feature that we are looking at. But one thing we can agree on overall are that some of these individual cells will be forming and then combining, meaning that there could be some hail and then some damaging winds involved. So that does it for your Tuesday forecast. We hope to see you back tomorrow on Wednesday, and we thank you all for watching and reminding you to be weather ready.